Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be making a heart-shaped pillow for weddings. These are commonly used to hold and carry the bride and the groom's rings. You will need several supplies. The full list will be provided in the description box below, or you can also check our blog for more details. So let's get started. The first step will be to lay out 2 plies of satin. Then on top you will add 1 ply of lace. Grab your heart pattern and place it on top, and using pins secure it in place. Then you will cut around the hearts and ensure that you mark and you make a small cut for the notches. Next, using the silk ribbon, cut a strand of 10 inches in length. Now, using 1 ply of satin, cut a rectangle measuring 50 inches long by 4 inches wide. You should now have a total of 5 pieces that will need to be joined together. Using the rectangle, we will create the ruffle. To do that, you will need to join the ends that are 4 inches wide by forming 1 strand in the shape of a circle. To reduce the bulkiness around the seams, you will turn them out, as you can see in the video, and then you will fold the band in half and stitch it around. Note that to make this ruffle, we used a special shearing foot in the sewing machine. The information will be listed below if you want to get it. However, if you don't have this foot, you can flat stitch the band, and at the end you can pull the thread manually, creating the ruffle. However, this is a much longer process, and you really need to be careful and patient not to break the thread. In this particular case, to make it much easier, we would definitely recommend for you to get the shearing foot. Once you're done with the ruffle, grab your lace and stitch it to the face of one of your hearts. Next, stitch the 10-inch silk ribbon across the face of the other heart, following the notches. To create the heart, you will now have to place the ruffle right on top of the lace. The ends should be on top of each other. Use pins to secure the ruffle in place and then stitch it around. This will be a long process, so you need to be patient and keep an eye on your precision. Once the ruffle and the laced heart are joined together, place the remaining heart on top of the ruffle. Ensure that the ribbon of the remaining heart is actually facing both the lace and the ruffle, and stitch it all around. Make a note that this time you will have to leave an opening of about 2 inches, which later on you will use to turn the heart inside out. Before turning over, make sure that you trim the middle of the heart as you see it in the video, and also the bottom of the heart in order to help you shape it once you turn it around. Gently pull the ruffle around and you should end up with a nice lacy front and the back with the silk ribbon. Using the 2-inch opening, fill the heart with the synthetic pillow filling until it is all nice and bouncy. And now you should manually stitch the opening in order to close the heart. Now that your heart is ready, the last step is to decorate it. You can add bows, rhinestones, or more flowers. This is up to your preference. Actually, if you need more ideas about decorative flowers, we have tutorials available in our All About Making Flowers playlist. You can check it out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.